Hi guys, welcome back to Input Plus. Today's video is about video cards. Recently I was able to acquire two used video cards, both nice ones. One is the Radeon Sapphire Radeon RX 470, a blower style card, which I'm fond of, and another blower style card, the NVIDIA reference GTX 970. So big fan of the back plates, the shrouds. Really like that sleek style. They don't run as cool as the open air or open style cards, but they look really nice. Anyways, so quite excited about the acquisitions and ran them through their paces. GTX 970 obviously is the stronger of the two and performed very nicely. It can go into any casual gamer's machine up to today, I think so. As for the RX 470, this is destined to be an upgrade for my son's PC. He's a casual gamer, not really gaming a lot, hence casual. He uses an R9 380, so this would be an upgrade for him. So I ran it through its paces as well and ran into a problem, which is the subject of today's video. Initially, as you can see in this clip, I ran the benchmark, the Unigine Heaven benchmark for the RX 470, and no more than 10 or 15 seconds or 20 seconds, I had to cut off the video because it was running too hot. So right there, I knew there was a problem. So decided to open up the card. So as you can see in this clip, I tried to see what was wrong with it. I was expecting a lot of dirt, debris, dust that was blocking the path of the fan to the heatsink. And sure enough, that's what I found. Unfortunately, I ran out of compressed air. So I had to do everything manually. But I still got a lot of gunk out. And thinking that that was the end of the problem, I put everything back together, ran the benchmark again, and it did run a bit cooler, maybe 15 degrees cooler, and it lasted about halfway before the video cut off when it was reaching around 79 or 80 degrees. So that's why there isn't a clip of that second run benchmark for the RX 470. So I didn't have a choice but to go back in and do some more cleaning, and decided to do a repasting. As you can see in this clip, I tried to do more than what I did last time, cleaned more gunk. I decided to use like an old sock, moist wet old sock, clean by the way, but old. So cleaned thoroughly around the fan. Took the screws off the fan so I can get to the underside of the fan, got more gunk out, and until I was satisfied that it was fairly clean. And then it was off to the repasting. And as I opened up the heatsink, I saw, I'm not sure if that was from the factory. It looked like somebody had already tried to do a repasting. Because they were probably having heat issues as well. So I cleaned as much as I can. Some of the paste, the previous attempt had made its way to outside the GPU die. So I cleaned that as well. Cleaned as much as I can. Did my repaste. And sealed it back up again. And then at that point, it was all or nothing because I basically would have done everything I could, anything that I knew about cleaning and repasting cards. So I ran the Unigine benchmark again, and as you can see in this clip, it was a success. Never broke 63 Celsius throughout the benchmark, and more importantly, it finished the benchmark. So I was really happy about that, because now I have a functioning video card that my son can use. So that's about it. I guess purpose of the video is that if you have a card that's running abnormally hot, I would say abnormally hot, then maybe if it's an older card, maybe it's time to open it up and then take a look. Obviously making sure that your warranty has run out and all that, because this is a used card, so that wasn't an issue with me. So yeah, if it's not an abnormally hot card, I wouldn't even try it if it's functional. If it's functional. In this case, running at 80 as soon as you turn on the benchmark is not normal. So that's why I decided to do the cleaning. So once I get the RX 470 into my son's PC, then I can run a comparison benchmark for the R9 380 and the RX 470, and I will share that video with you guys. So if you would like to see that, then go ahead and click on subscribe, and if you like this video, click on like and leave your comments, and I'll try to get out some more content. Basically not newer items, because you can't even buy new video cards these days. So I'll try to get out more content, and hope you like it. So until the next video, guys, take care. Bye.